Hi everyone, Eva here from Ross IELTS Academy. I'm here today to talk to you about 3 words that sound so similar. They are quit, quite, and quiet. So what's the difference between these 3? Well, obviously the biggest or more obvious one is the pronunciation. Quit, quite, and quiet. You should make sure to pronounce them correctly, as one of the biggest mistakes is how everyone mispronounces them. So once again, repeat after me. It's quit, quite, and quiet. Right? The next difference what each word means. So let's start with the word quit. For example, I quit my house to go to work. Or you can see me if you quit the office. See? Quit means that you leave a place, normally permanently, like quitting your house or office here. However, quit has also got another meaning, which is to stop doing something. Like, for example, you should quit smoking, or you will die very soon. Or, she decided to quit her job to follow her dreams. See, here we're talking about to stop smoking or stop working.
Well, I'm really sick of your smoking, so I brought something that is going to help you quit.
Oh. Nope, that patch is no good.
You need the fear.
The fear?
He's right. If you quit this job, you then have motivation to go after a job you really want.
Well, then how come you're still at a job that you hate? I mean, why don't you quit and get the fear?
Because I'm too afraid. So, I quit.
Why?
Why? This was supposed to be a temp job.
Yeah, Chandler, you've been there for 5 years.
If I took this promotion, it would be like admitting that this is what I actually do.
So
Now,
it's a lot.
the next word is quite. Let's look at some examples. The end of the movie was quite sad. Or, I'm not quite ready for the test. Quite means to a certain extent. And the last word is quiet, which of course you already know the definition of, right? For example, you should be quiet when you are in the library. Or, the house was so quiet when my mom was sleeping. So, the word quiet means silent or calm, or when there's simply no noise.
All right, I have one question. What is the deal with this?
Bye-bye, little puppet Joey hand?
Oh, the quiet down thing?
You mean this?
Yeah, and I like to hang out in a quiet place where I could talk to my friends.
Yeah. And so what if I like to go home, throw on some Kenny G and take a bath?
Very well, guys. Now, I want to tell you a very short story about me to give some more context. 2 months ago, I moved to a new house. As it was in a quiet neighborhood, I could focus very well on my studies and work. One day, I had a very bad headache, so I quit the house to buy some painkillers. The pharmacy was quite close to my house, so it took me a short time to get there. After I took the pill, I felt much better. Okay, now it's your turn to make your own examples with the words quit, quite, and quiet, and write them down in the comments. I'm here to correct them for you in case there are any mistakes. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and you can also find the full vocabulary and grammar files visiting our website, which is www.rossielts.com. Stay tuned and see you soon!
Silver and VIP. This package is comprised of the offline educational videos for the 4 skills, including listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In these videos, you will learn all the necessary techniques that you will need to apply for the IELTS exam. Apart from the educational videos, you will have full access to enormous resources to practice the strategies that you learn. Once you finish your course, you will have 2 and 4 online mock tests of speaking, along with comprehensive feedback under the same conditions in Silver and VIP courses, respectively. Also, you can send us your writings to be checked out and receive comprehensive feedback on those. You will also have 60 3-level British-based podcasts produced by the Academy, not only to help you improve your listening, but also to enhance your vocabulary range and pronunciation. In addition to all the mentioned resources, you will be provided with useful grammar and collocation files to get your target score with a better level of knowledge. Join us and become our next successful candidate.